From the whirring of looms to the roar of the stock market, Berkshire Hathaway's journey is a remarkable testament to reinvention. Its story begins not with shrewd investments, but with humble threads in the mid-1800s. The Berkshire Cotton Manufacturing Company was established in Massachusetts, a titan of the textile industry. For decades, it churned out fabrics, a cornerstone of American production. However, as the 20th century dawned, the textile industry faced increasing competition and declining profits. By the 1950s, the Berkshire Cotton Manufacturing Company was struggling. It eventually merged with another struggling mill, the Hathaway Manufacturing Company, forming Berkshire Hathaway in 1955. But this merger did little to revive fortunes. The company found itself in a precarious position, still deeply entrenched in the ailing textile business. Enter Warren Buffett in the early 1960s. Buffett, then a young and ambitious investor, began acquiring shares in Berkshire Hathaway, initially with the intention of profiting from its liquidation. He saw inefficiencies and opportunities that others missed. However, the situation took a turn when the company's leadership made a decision Buffett disagreed with, leading him to take control of Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett's vision was revolutionary. He began divesting from the unprofitable textile operations, using the company's capital to invest in other, more promising businesses. Through strategic acquisitions of insurance companies like National Indemnity and later GEICO, Buffett built a powerful cash-generating engine. This cash was then reinvested into a diverse portfolio of companies. From a failing textile mill, Berkshire Hathaway transformed into a sprawling conglomerate, a holding company for iconic brands across insurance, energy, railroads, consumer products, and more. The genius of Buffett wasn't just in picking winners, but in meticulously building an empire on a foundation initially laid by hardworking hands, proving that even the most established industries can be reborn.